Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daily Crave. In today's video, I'll be going over the new splitter that I've got a few months ago for my Mustang from S550Parts. Let me show you what it looks like and everything that came with it. Alright guys, so this is the front splitter that I've got from S550Parts on Instagram. I've had this splitter for months now. I've been just really indecisive with it. I had wanted to sell it at one point, but I decided to keep it and just put it on just to try it out, see what it looks like. Yeah, let me show you guys like what it looked like. Like, it's nice quality. It's nothing bad, nothing wrong with it, no scratches, no scuffs. The only thing is, when I had like got it out the box and everything, you know, a few months ago, it didn't come with no instructions. It only came with, you know, the splitter and the bolts in the little bag. So yeah, this is the first new part that I'll be starting off with. Mustang, this can go on, you know, your 2015 through 2017 Mustangs. I will have my dad help me out with this video. All right, so far we got it on there. We just gotta get it mounted in with one more screw. So far it's coming out really nice. It looks really good. All right, so this is the final look of everything, of how the front splitter fits. At first I was hesitant of doing this, but in all, I feel like this really looked good on the car. It makes the front stand out even more. I was thinking about, you know, taking off, you know, the factory splitter that, you know, comes with the car, but I was like, nah. I was like, nah, and I end up liking the way it looks, just like this, how it is. I mean, it looks really good. Sorry if the video is not as long and it's really brief. Yeah, but Check me out for more content coming soon. I hope you guys like this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.